So hey guys, I'm back and this is the last video for this problem. I know you're tired, so am I, but let's do this final integral. I know this is easy for some of you, but there are people out there who don't um, they find it difficult, so let's just help them out. Don't skip steps. Okay, so what am I doing now? Straight away doing this unknown thing. Okay, so I just kind of thought about splitting this up into two problems so you can just learn from this. Okay, so for this integral I'll substitute x plus 2 as some u, and I'll differentiate both sides to get that. What is that? Du equals, if you differentiate this you'll get dx, right? Okay, so you can substitute that. This will become the integral of 1 over x plus 2 is u, right? So that's u squared, and dx is du. Okay, that is fine with me. Du, and you must be knowing this is minus 1 over u, but u again is x plus 2, right? So it's kind of going in reverse, plus some constant which we don't need in this problem, actually in this problem. So let's just continue with this problem here, and this is x plus 4 is equal to u, same thing, same idea. Du is dx, same thing. So this will become 4 times the integral of 1 over u squared times du. Same thing again, this is 4 times negative 1 over u, which will become negative 4 over x plus 4 plus c. Okay, so now that we have done this, let's just finish this problem here. Okay, this partial fraction problem. So I just kind of thought of separating this into 3 videos, because that was not such a good idea. Okay, anyway, so the final result is, which I forgot now, I think that a was something like negative 2, right? Negative 2 over x plus 2 plus, and b was something like 1, right? And that is x plus 2 squared. It's not a lambda, that's an x, plus not 1, and c was 2, right? Yeah, c was 2, and this was x plus 4 plus d was 4, I remember that, x plus 4 squared times dx. So this was where we left out in the first video, or possibly second, I don't remember. Okay, so the final answer, that's too dark. Okay, so the final answer is negative 2 natural log, you can write absolute value if you want, plus, and we did this just now, this turned out to be what? Negative 1 over x plus 2 plus, this was 2 natural log absolute value x plus 4, and this was again, we did it just now, and that is also negative 4, not natural log, over x plus 2, x plus 4. That's what's happened. Okay, and you can add a plus c here if you want. And now you can kind of simplify this even further. You can combine these two terms. You can take 2 in, 2 out, you can take 2 common, whatever you call it. You'll get natural log of x plus 4 minus natural log of x plus 2, which is, I believe, this natural log of x plus 4 over x plus 2. That's properties of natural logs. And I don't see anything what we can do here. Well, let's take negative common and we'll get inside. If we simplify this, we'll get 4x plus, which is 5x, plus 8 plus 4 plus 12 over x squared plus 6x plus 8. Okay, that is our final, and of course plus cm. So sorry, that was not final. Okay, that is our final answer. So this is rather interesting, and I think of this as you might think that this took way long and this is very tough and very lengthy and all that, but believe me, if you get enough practice, you can do this within, I did it in like 15 minutes or so, but you can do it within 5 minutes or something. Okay, let's wrap this up then. That's it for partial fractions, and I'll see you with something else next time. Okay, see you YouTube.